Compressor setup. Wheel the compressor to your work area. Unlock and open the case. Be careful the contents don't fall out. Remove the handpiece holder and install on the handle. Remove the cap from the water bottle. Insert the water line. And install the water bottle. Connect the power from the handpieces to the case. Now connect your pressure line. Install until you hear it click. Now you can install your saliva ejector and your high volume evacuator. This is your vacuum canister. Install your vacuum hoses for the high volume evacuator and saliva ejector. And place the canister inside the unit. Now connect the power cord. Plug the compressor in. Now connect the power to the handpieces. This is the foot pedal control. Place it near the compressor. Remove the cords from out and close the case. You can secure it with the locks. Now your portable dental unit is ready to use. The takedown. After disinfecting the unit, you can begin to take the unit down. Open the case, and with gloved hands, remove the vacuum canister. Remove the vacuum hoses, and empty the contents. Clean the canister and replace. Now remove the water bottle. Dump the water out and replace the cap. Now you can disconnect your vacuum hoses, your high volume evacuator, and saliva ejectors. Remove the power. and your pressure line. And replace the handpiece holder into the case. Situate your hoses so that you can close the case. Place the water bottle and the foot pedal in the case and position your hoses so that you can close the case. Secure the case with the locks and that's it. You're all done.